Hi everyone, and welcome back to my bedroom. I'm filming this on Halloween, but this won't go out until a couple days after Halloween. If I look funny, it's because I only concealed my eyes and my under eyes. That's why I literally have like 6 different skin tones going on. I don't know why I look so red on camera when I literally it's not that bad off camera. Anyway, we're having a Halloween costume contest at my job, and my manager texted me forever ago, and she was like, "Oh no," she gave me like literally a day in advance notice, and I was like, I can't do shit with that. And she was like, "Hey, we're doing a contest. All of the people in the morning are gonna come as people from the 80s, or they're gonna do like I have no idea what they're gonna do. But I was thinking simple, so I was like, let me just be a little devil. That'll be super easy, super cool, super sexy of me. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna try to do like red eyeliner and then a red gradient, just line, because I don't feel like doing the most. Also, I have to wear a mask, so it's already going to be pretty hard to try to just like some of my coworkers did spider eyeliner, some of them did all of them just did spider eyeliner. I think one of them did a little pumpkin, but they're mostly like the cashiers up front. They're not really like moving around all day. They're mostly just standing there being pretty. I wish I had my actual like liner brush so that I can get it in my inner corner. I have no idea where it is. Honestly, I don't know where any of my brushes are besides like the few that I use. I'm gonna sneeze, hold on. I hope you wished me. I hope you blessed me. Yeah, do you see how fucking I hate. I don't have anything interesting to talk about because the stuff that I do want to talk about I want to save for my podcast because I'm a fucking nerd. I'm gonna be so mad if this I'm using the BH Cosmetics liquid lipstick instead of my Wet n Wild like I usually use, because it's it doesn't dry down. What am I trying to say? My brain is dying. It doesn't dry down with texture. Like if you look at my hand and you zoom in on my hand, even though it's not gonna, the one right here has a lot more texture on it than the one to the right. So like it looks mega crusty. And I don't want to look mega crusty. I mean, I probably do anyway. I'm crust queen. You already know how it is. But I hope everyone has a good Halloween. Honestly, the brain fog is real because I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing, honestly. I should have gotten me a water before I decided to film it. This is gonna take me a little minute. I mean, it won't take me super long, but I want to make sure that everything is opaque. Oh yeah, so I dyed, like using the Rit dye. I dyed some stuff, including a mask, so that, because I couldn't find a red mask or a white mask that I could dye. And so I used like the Rit cherry dye, like the cherry red, and then a like reddish maroon color booster. And it actually doesn't look too bad. I will show you towards the end of the video. Does that look even? I don't care. I just want to come home from work already, I'm gonna be honest. It's not that I don't care. It's just like, I feel like trying to be entertaining and also trying to like do this makeup look, because I want it a very specific way, is like it's a challenge, you know. And I usually I'm like off the walls and I'm very energetic, but I don't know. Today, I guess I'm just struggling. I mean, it does look red, but I don't know. I feel like up close it doesn't really look that red. And also I wear glasses, so it's not gonna like, I feel like it's not gonna translate as well as it would if I wore glasses. Either way, I mean, I don't really care if I win. This is just for fun. Because all of my coworkers, literally all of them, they were like, oh, like, we hope you come in. Because everyone in the morning is dressing up. All of my coworkers, I think, we did something like last minute because they literally only give us a day in advance. So, and I think I get to close with some of my favorite coworkers. So that's going to be really fun. There's literally going to be like, I think 5 of us towards the end of the night, and I think after the initial rush of like everyone scrambling to like buy like Halloween snacks and things like that, and after they pick up their orders, it's gonna be pretty slow. But I don't know like what we're gonna do in terms of like work. We haven't really had a lot of stuff to do, and some of our hours have been cut, so I don't really know. It's like a mystery, kind of. Okay, so for some reason, I don't know what the fuck was wrong with me this day, but I could not like talk to save my life. Like I was not entertaining. Like I don't even know what the fuck I was talking about for like the last 6 minutes of this video. Anyway, all I'm basically doing is just making the wing a little bit thicker, and I'm trying to make it as like pointy as I can because I usually use a different kind of brush that's like what the fuck is it called? It's basically like an angled liner brush, but it doesn't have the actual like angle on it. It's just like the point, if that makes sense. I'll put up a fucking image of what I'm talking about because I don't even know what I am talking about, but it's called something, and I bought it from BH Cosmetics, and it actually works really well for like a thinner liner, and it's also good for like line work in general that's more avant-garde or like abstract, I guess, that wouldn't be like regular like everyday liner use. Anyway, besides that, I was trying to figure out how I could make this more, I guess, like interesting. So I basically just did kind of just the line above my crease that goes from a gradient from red to black, and I used my eyeliner that kind of didn't stain, but I didn't want to come off because I forget that the one that I use is waterproof, as well as so also my inner corner that you can see on my right eye, I believe, it fucking got stained. And you're probably like, wow, you should have expected that. Oh yeah, and then I'm just setting it with red eyeshadow and black eyeshadow from the kayee 25 or 24 or 26 matte eyeshadow palette. But that's all I'm doing. I believe I just like set it and forget it, and it lasted pretty much the whole entire day, except I don't know if I'm using an old mascara, but that always makes me tear up. But other than that, that's all I have for you in this voiceover. Hope you're having a great day. I hope you have a little bit less anxiety about the election. I hope that everything's going well for you, and if you can stay home, I would recommend you stay home because shit's gonna hit the fan, only because people are crazy and they're gonna do what they want regardless. But yeah, I just added some red underneath my lower lash line, and then I did some fake lashes. But yeah, and I did mascara, but then I also go a little bit more crazy. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this part, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so sorry for like this, not necessarily silence, but all of the background music and the voiceover, because I could not concentrate to save my life, and I also had no idea what the fuck to even talk about. But this is the look. I hope you can recreate it, and I hope that you had fun, even though I literally gave you nothing. I was like, yes, nothing, absolutely. Honestly, I think I might do a little, hold on, we're not done yet. Did you think I was done? No, I'm annoying and I'm unnecessary. So we'll do a little quick gradient. We'll like overlap it a little bit. This is also my eyebrow brush, and so it's gonna look super fucked up when I do my eyebrows the next time, and I'm gonna be like, why did I do this to myself? Okay, I think that looks good. Am I a little crusty? Yes. Am I exhausted? Also yes. Is this video way too long? It's a lot longer than I thought it would be? absolutely. But I'll probably just like edit it a little bit faster. But thank you. If you made it this far, please leave a comment because y'all know Miss Wojcicki fucking hates my guts. Yeah, share it if you want. I'm trying to reach 200 and I think it's totally feasible. I think we're still 5 away. I had someone unsub and then I was like, oh fuck. But we're close to it. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a safe Halloween regardless of wherever you are. I know it's past the date, but still, and if you're not, Halloween is a feeling. It's not just a holiday. So like, you know, I watch scary movies all the time. Anyway, sorry for rambling. Sorry for this not being as fun as it doesn't was, but I hope you learned some fun techniques and I hope you learned that you can use other tools or like other makeup products as other things. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.